Hello, folks. If you're looking to make your planting tasks more efficient, then this tool might be just what you need. Today, we're reviewing the K-Brand's Auger drill bit for planting. Let's see how it can help you in the garden. Let's take a closer look at its design and features. Durable construction. Made from heavy-duty alloy steel, this Auger drill bit is built to last and can handle various soil types. Spiral design. The extensive spiral blades are designed to quickly transport soil, making your planting process faster and more efficient. Compatibility. It's compatible with any 3/8 hex drive drill, including cordless models, making it versatile and easy to use. Every product has their pros and cons. Let's highlight some of the pros. Improved efficiency. This tool can create planting holes quickly, significantly reducing the time and effort needed for planting. Versatility. Beyond planting, it's also useful for tilling soil, mixing seed or fertilizer, and even drilling holes for umbrellas or tents at the beach. User-friendly. Easy to attach to your drill and operate, making it accessible for gardeners of all levels. Now, let's weigh the cons. Drill not included. You'll need to have your own compatible drill as it's not included with the auger bit. Limited to smaller plants. While great for bulbs and small plants, it may not be suitable for larger planting projects. Customers have left some of their feedback. Let's have a look at a few of them. This auger drill bit has received positive feedback with an average rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 4,000 customers. The K-Brand's Auger drill bit for planting is a valuable tool for any gardener looking to save time and effort. Its durable construction, efficient design, and versatility make it a worthwhile addition to your gardening toolkit. Just ensure you have a compatible drill and you'll be ready to transform your planting experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and product reviews. See you next time.